Okay, so what we're going to do here is take a little bit of video of lighting the Froling from scratch with just a couple pieces of newspaper in the lighting door. We're going to try to do this in less than 3 minutes because that's all the time I have on the camera card. So the boiler did have a few coals around the nozzle on the inside, but for the most part the coals inside were dead, and as you can see there was no fire inside the boiler. So what we've done, we've shut the upper door, we've lit the paper in the center loading door, and we're just going to let that burn for a little bit. You can look up here on the control, the flue gas is beginning to climb quite nicely. And like I said, we did have some coals in around the nozzle. A few of them still were glowing, but not enough to get the fire going or get it to start gasifying. So we'll just kind of keep watching the flue temps rise. That's not working out very well, is it? So we're up about 100 degrees now on the flue gas, and if we come down here and take a peek in there, that's what happens. Now what we did when we put the paper in there, because the Froling shuts down completely after it knows that the wood load has been consumed, it saves that coal bed in there. So with just 2 pieces of paper, you can reignite those dead coals laying across the front of the boiler, and you can be up and gasifying in just a couple minutes. And I guess that's the whole point of the video here, is to show how quickly you can get the boiler up and running. Now if we could go take a picture of the stack right now, you would see that there isn't any smoke. If you peek inside of the combustion chamber, you can see we've got some gasification going on. Refractory's not hot yet, but the coal bed is enough to get us gasifying. So there you have it. About 3 minutes to get a Froling up and gasifying. We're gonna close it up now. We're gonna shut the outer door, and we're gonna call it a night. It's our Froling FHG Turbo 3000.